Natural roach extermination, overnight solutions.
Hello everyone. Welcome to our today's discussion on natural roach extermination techniques. This video is all about providing you with overnight solutions to help combat those pesky intruders. Let's dive right in.
Why do we need overnight roach control?
Roaches are nocturnal pests that hide away during the day and become active during the night. These pests can pose health risks such as triggering allergies and asthma and contaminating food. Therefore, fast and effective methods of control are crucial to keep our homes roach-free.
What natural methods can provide overnight results?
There are several natural techniques that can be employed for roach control. Let's look at a few. 1. Boric acid treatment. Boric acid is a naturally occurring substance that is lethal to roaches. To use this method, mix equal parts boric acid, flour, and sugar to make a dough. Roll the dough into small balls and place them around the house where roaches are seen. 2. Diatomaceous earth. This is a natural powder made from tiny fossilized aquatic organisms. It's non-toxic to humans and pets, but lethal to roaches. Sprinkle it in areas where you've noticed roach activity. 3. Essential oils. Certain essential oils, like peppermint, are known to repel roaches. Mix a few drops of the oil with water in a spray bottle and spray it around your home. Remember, for best results, ensure to clean your house thoroughly before using these techniques to eliminate any food sources for roaches.
How effective are these methods?
While these natural methods can provide significant reduction in roach populations overnight, it's important to remember that complete extermination often takes time. Keep up with these methods and be consistent for best results. It's a wrap. We've explored some effective natural roach extermination techniques that can provide overnight results. They're simple, natural, and safe for use in your home. Remember, the key is consistency. So go ahead, take control, and reclaim your home from these pesky intruders. Until next time, stay safe and pest-free.